Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm Billy D, and this is, of course, Drink Smoke Bill. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a green pool and turn it blue using a variety of methods. Oh, I tried a variety of things, all right. I shocked it. I shocked it again. I scrubbed it. I've let the pump run for 24 hours. It's still green as can be. This means war! Fire! Grenade! Oh, retreat, retreat! You might be saying to your screen right now, well, Billy, is there enough chlorine in the pool? I would say so, but maybe not. So after 24 hours of this not clearing up, where do you go when you have a question about something like this? YouTube. And I found a video of a guy that said that the test strips actually don't show the high enough level of chlorine to kill all of the algae in a lot of pools.
In fact, a free chlorine level of 10 to 15 parts per million or higher may not be too high under certain circumstances. And once your pool turns green, the slam level of chlorine you need is probably higher than you would think is safe. However, it is safe.
That may be true, but before I get to the point of shocking it a third time, I've got a few other methods that I'm going to try first. Many of you have probably seen the viral video where the granny puts a magic eraser in the skimmer.
Lisa Pack says her pool tends to get a little green, leaving her family feeling blue.
My pool has never been clear. It's just doesn't stay clear for some reason.
Until she says she tried a simple trick that requires no effort, no scrubbing, and fits in the palm of her hand, a Mr. Clean magic eraser.
You take the opened magic eraser, you put it in your skimmer basket.
She left it there overnight, and when she checked the next morning,
Wada bing, wada boom. It was green and the pool was clear.
So we're going to do that. You know what? Let's make it 2. I also picked up a bottle of algicide for good measure. And last but not least, we're going to be using the Flow Clear AquaClimb vacuum, which I did a review on about a month ago and is one of my highest performing videos. For that, I say thank you, guys. That's amazing. But we're going to go ahead and hook this up, and hopefully, with all of the different chemicals I put in here, and the vacuum will not only get the green to go away, but will also suck up all of the dead algae using the vacuum and get it filtered through the sand. All right, so I'm going to let that sit overnight, and we'll come back in the morning, and hopefully we'll not only have a green-free, algae-free pool, but we'll also have a clear and not cloudy pool because of the vacuum and the filter. At least that's the hope. May actually take a little longer than that. Well, we seem to have won the battle, but the war is not over. So, as you guys can tell, we have a blue pool. We also have lots of algae still down there. I have had the vacuum running all night. I cleaned it out and it was super dirty, so I put it back in and I'm gonna let it continue to run all day. The magic erasers seem to have done the trick in taking out a lot of the algae, As you can see here, they are very green. I'm gonna leave those in there because they're not completely green, so they should continue to help. So the weather is calling for a massive storm to move in this evening and continue to pound us Sunday and Monday, which, as you know, is no good for a pool's chemistry. So I'm going to continue to leave the pump running, the magic erasers in the skimmer, the vacuum continuously for the next couple of days. And once the rain stops, and we're predicted to not have any more rain for the next few days, then I'll add some more algicide. Once I've done that and the filter has a chance to filter out all the dead algae, which, as you guys could see, is actually fairly clear except for what's at the bottom. So the vacuum should take care of most of that. But once all that's done and I have a chance to scrub the pool and get the rest of the algae off the bottom of the pool, then I will post an update about that. But that's as far as we're going to get today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on getting algae out of a pool. And don't forget to subscribe so that you see the update to this video coming out the middle of next week. Much love to you guys. Billy D, peace and on out of here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.